literally can save you years of trial and error for what I'm about to share with you in this video. And the best part is it actually works for beginners. So stick around. Now, who am I? Why should you listen to me? My name is Nathan Lucas. I'm an award-winning affiliate. I've done over $1.2 million in affiliate commissions. I've won the 2 Comma Club award through ClickFunnels. I've won other awards. And some people don't know this, but there's a company called Legendary Marketer. I won this $12,000 Rolex. I was their very first affiliate to become a diamond affiliate, which means you earned $1 million with their company. I was the very first one to do it. And so here's what I'm going to cover with you guys today. Here's the old way of doing things with affiliate marketing. You have to identify a niche. You have to find quality products to promote. You got to build your website or your funnel. You got to work on your copy. You have to craft converting emails. You got to structure your follow-up series through those emails. You got to get traffic and then convert your leads into sales. Here's the new way, 2025 way of doing things. Find a proven product. Well, guess what? That's done for you. I'm going to show you today. Set up your done for you system in 72 hours. Easy peasy. Follow step-by-step system. Earn from multiple streams of income. Boom, money in the bank. That's what I'm going to be covering with you in this video. And without further ado, let's get started. So there's a few different steps, and this was off a video I did of the $1 million affiliate funnel. So the funnel that I used to make over $1 million, this is how it is all laid out. And the coolest thing, later in this video, I'm going to show you how all this is done for you, which is the 2025 way, the easy way of doing things. So number one is you have to have an opt-in page where you're generating email leads. Now, if you don't know, you need to be building an email list. This is the lifeblood of your business, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, digital marketing, any online business, any business really at all, you need to be generating an email list. So this comes in at number one. So what you do is you're going to get something just like this. And I'm going to show you later how you can replicate all of this, but this is a free course to give away. And someone comes here and they see how to set up a business. They click here, they put their name and email in right here, and you start generating the leads. Okay, that's step one. Now, how do you get people to that page, right? And by the way, the cool thing about all of this, let me go back to this shot right here because I wanted to share something with you. One thing that you do have to do inside the new way, which is really, you can X out all of this stuff except for one thing. There's only one thing that you have to do because no business is without doing work. All right. If you hear someone saying you can make money, make all this money and you do nothing, it's a lie. It's fake. That's not real. You have to do some sort of work. All right. And really the work that you need to be doing is you got to get traffic. You have to get traffic to your automated system for it to work. All right. So what are ways that you do that? You can make YouTube videos. You can create content on TikTok, Instagram. But the way that we generate those leads, I'm going to share with you right here on my personal profile here, is that in your bio, you give a call to action. So you can see I have a link right here. And what that link is doing is it's sending people to this free opt-in course to get the course, right? So if I come down here, you can see it says copy this course, right? And you're going to be able to do this exact same thing. It's an amazing way to leverage someone else's systems to start generating leads. So that is step one that you need to do, is to generate those leads. Let me go back to this page. So that's step one. All right. Now what happens is once you generate those leads, they get added to your email database, which I'm going to show you and talk about that a little bit later. Now, the next thing is once someone comes through that page, this is what, as someone who's done really well in affiliate marketing, I'm going to tell you right now, some people don't do this. And that is to create a bridge page with your face on it. Now, I know you don't want to do it. And honestly, you don't have to. You can make money by not doing it. All right. But I'll tell you right now, from someone who's experienced, and the reason that I was number one on leaderboards and why I believe I've done so well is because I give valuable content to start, which is up here. Okay. By creating content. And then I don't stop there. I take the extra step, and right here, instead of just going from the opt-in to the sales page, I actually create a bridge video. And it's a super simple, short video. that simply explains what people are going to see here. Now, if you have experience, you can leverage that experience in your video. So what that looks like is someone would come here, and on the very next page, boom, what do you know it? It's me, all right? And I'm explaining what they're going to see on the next page. Now, if we come back here and we take a look at this, we're right here in this step. Now, but what we want to do is I want to briefly talk about what we're giving away for free in just a minute. So I'll come back to this, but this is what we're talking about right here. We're coming now to the sales page, okay? So once someone opts in, they're coming to this bridge page, which I just shared with you, which is right here. And then I'm giving them a call to action to go to the next step. That's the only thing that they can do on this page is go to the next step. There's no leaving this page. They can exit it out, but there's only one thing that they can do, and that's go to the next step. And that next step is I'm introducing them to a product. Now, this product is a course, all right? And I recommend you guys pick this course up because it's going to teach you everything I'm going over about, and especially what I'm about to go over, how you can set up your software, set up your system. It's all taught in the 72-hour challenge. I'll leave it linked down below. But what this is people will get access to a course just like this, all right? And I highly recommend you guys do this. It's only $9 to get a hold of this course. And it walks you through, this is my friend Jonathan Montoya. He walks you through all of it. What is affiliate marketing? What's the best way to get started? And that's what he covers right here in day one, the Freedom Roadmap. And then day two is setting up your system. And we're going to talk more about that. That's what I'm talking about now, which is this. But then there's a whole nother cool step to this where you can generate passive income. All right. So they gain access to the course if they decide to buy it. And that goes from this page to here. If they decide to buy it, boom, I make a commission. All is well, right? But we don't stop there. I actually want to jump into the software, and I'm going to actually duplicate this page because I actually want to jump in here and I want to show you what this looks like on the course portion of it. Let me make sure I don't have it pulled up already because I don't think I do. No. So let's dive in, and I want to show you the course. So what you're going to be giving away is something of value. All right. And in this case, that's the teaser. I don't want to go to the teaser. I actually want to go. Oh, that would have worked. Am I still here? Let me jump back. Sorry about that. All right. So this is what the course actually looks like. So when people are coming through my funnel, I'm giving something away for free, which is right here. And it's the course that I'm sharing with you right now. So this is what it looks like. And you're going to have the opportunity to do the same thing. Your picture, see where my picture is right here? All that will get switched out. It'll be your picture, your branding on this, okay? And so what happens is they come through this course and we're promoting softwares and we're promoting even high ticket. So let me just show you right here. As they come into, let's just say this specific part of the training, and they come down here, this says check out the Freedom Accelerator. So if they click the Freedom Accelerator, all right, this pays, I believe, 40% commissions. And I think if you own it, it's 50%. But this is a $2,000 program. Okay. So this is going to pay, like $800, $1,000 if I think if you own it. Let me see. I think that's still part of it, is that you actually get 50% commissions. I'd have to ask Jonathan about that. But I do know you get 40% commissions, right? And so up at the top is your affiliate link. And all that is dynamically updated from the course. And I'll share with you exactly how that looks in just a minute. So this is the funnel here, okay? Now this is just the surface level of the $1 million affiliate funnel. Where the real magic happens is because we are adding people to this email database, we can follow up. Now, for brand new people, this is one of the biggest hurdles. Because if you're brand new, you don't know sales, you don't know marketing, you don't know copywriting, you don't know how to convert those leads into sales, and it can be quite a headache. This system takes all of the headache away, right? So if I come into here, this is the software that you'll be trained on inside the course. So down below, like I said, I linked to this course for $9. Jonathan shows you how to set all this up. So inside of the Funnel Freedom software, all of these are affiliate links right here. So this is actually, before I jump to the affiliate links, you remember I said my picture was there, yours would get swapped out. So if you come down here, let me show you. So here's where you'll put your name. It'll dynamically get updated. All the socials, so your YouTube channel, your TikTok, Instagram, whatever you have, you can put in there. And if I show you the course, right up here, all these get updated when you update those links. And then on the first page, I think if I just come here, this will take me to the home page. Yes, this page gets updated as well when you come into the software, and it says right at the bottom here, your photo. So you're going to paste your photo here, a URL to your photo, and it's going to dynamically update. All right. Then the cool part is, and this is where the most powerful thing of this is. And by the way, there's training on all this, on how to set it up and how to get it going. All of these are affiliate links that you sign up for, and all the trainings in here to how you sign up. So it's over 10 different affiliate programs. You sign up to them, you plug your affiliate links in here, and this is where the magic happens of this automated system. And you guys, I've been around the block. I've been doing this for about a decade now. There's no software on the market that does this. None. Zero. It's the only one. It's a one of a kind that allows you to generate passive income from multiple streams of income all in one spot. It's crazy. So if I jump to this slide, this is what happens. So I just shared with you the opt-in page here. You get your traffic, you send them to an opt-in page. And remember, this is where it's killer. We're adding them to an email list. And then we have now several different supporting offers. Now that means for one email lead, right, on a daily basis, you are sending out emails, and this system sends out all of these emails promoting different products, nurturing your leads, sending them to videos that have links at the bottom to your affiliate links. It's all dynamically updated when you come back here and you update your affiliate links. All of this is done on your behalf, a year's worth of emails. And let me jump in and just share with you how this looks in the automations, because it's so powerful and it's so cool. So Freedom Ascension, I'll come in here. Here's the first step. This is the welcome sequence that when you plug into this system, what I shared with you here, all of these having your dynamic affiliate links, when you plug them in here, they go out and they start updating. So this right here is what it looks like. These are all emails going out. So if you see right here, let me highlight this so you guys can actually see it. And actually, just for the sake of user friendliness on this video, let me make it so you can see it a little bit better. So right here, you can see this is what we would call a wait step. So it waits a day, right? It waits a day, it sends an email, and you can see this one says a personal email backstory. This one waits 2 days, and then it sends an offer, the 72-hour challenge. This one waits a day, and then it sends another one, and then they get added to another workflow. So everything I'm showing here is dynamically updated, and that is all done inside of the software. It's all done inside Funnel Freedom. Now, I recommend going in the link below in the description of this video and grabbing this course. It's only $9, all right? Worst case scenario, you pay $9, you go through the training, and you do nothing, and your life didn't change, and nothing happens, right? You're out $9. Best case scenario, you go through this training, you take it seriously, and you apply what you learn, and you can start making money online by promoting other people's products using a done-for-you system, using a proven system that actually works. So I hope you guys like this video. Go check this video out next. At the top left, you'll see top right, you'll see that video. YouTube thinks that you should watch that video next. I appreciate you. If you got any value out of this, please hit that thumbs up for the algorithm. You know what to do. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.